Kanina guys, tinatamad-tamad pa yan. Kasi puro lang cellphone. Ngayon, ginawa ko, inunahan ko. Kasi labas tayo. So, nung una, medyo tamad-tamad pa kumilos yan. So ngayon, ayan, tumatakbo na. Kasi pag ang mga bata talaga, inunahan natin. Talagang, na ano sila eh. Nadadala sila sa nating mga magulang. Kapag positive tayo yung kahit medyo tinatamad tayo, pinipilit natin. So nadadala sila. At saka siyempre guys, marami na naman tayong kinain kanin. So para mabalance lang, jogging. Yan siya. Very good. Sure, you do it right. Just move your body. It's okay. Good example for other children that just sitting and watching TV is not always good idea. So that is why balance. You can watch TV like half hour and then another activities. So it's good for your own future and for your own body and for your own, healthy body. Not for anyone. Tu Sigmar. Ben du willst, wir können so gehen, aber das ist halt ein bisschen weit wieder.
Nein.
Oder zurück.
Nein.
The bridge where my nanay and tatay always stand by there for 7 years ago. That's the bridge with good remembrance and good memories for my parents. But my tatay is already gone since April, and it's not always nice to have in my mind and in the mind of our siblings, because the memories are very unforgettable memories. Can you sing?
I can.
Yes. So give sample now. Just sing in front the camera. Maybe you will have a 1 million viewers if you have your luck.
I don't think so.
Yes, but you can try until you succeed. Try and try. Ibig sabihin, einfach probieren bis du gut kannst. Und wenn du Glück hast, dann gleich später werden dafür was so genug Geld. Ay. So, ano pa ba? Having you near me. Yan, ganda yung kanta na yan. The beautiful music. Ay. Just walk and walk to have a healthy body and mind. So, hindi naman tayo namakbo. Takbo, jogging, running and jogging. Why? So, nakakahingal. Nakakahingal talaga guys ang gumalaw-galaw, pero at least nakakabawas naman ito ng kunting taba sa ating katawan. Left or right?
now.
No, right. No. But right direction is right. So, ay. Nakakahingal ang tumakbo. Nakakahingal pero kailangan nating gumalaw-galaw. Kasi kung hindi mas lalo tayong magdagdag ng kilos at mas lalo tayong bugnutin kapag wala tayong exercise na extra. Kasi pag nagluluto is okay, gumagalaw-galaw din tayo. Pero kapag lumalabas ka din, kunting fresh air, running with the fresh with the nature is very good for our body and mind. Maganda sa ating kalusugan. Just showing them that we are moving our body, and that is good example for the whole world, for the people that they are a little bit lazy for moving their body. So we have to show them how a beautiful feeling to have just 30 minutes running or walking. So, totoo yan guys. Alam nyo, kapag nasa loob lang kayo ng bahay, pag nanonood kayo ng TV, parang napakasarap. Pero, mas masarap yung feeling na pag naglakad kayo ng 1 hour. Tapos, uupo kayo, iinom ng tea, or iinom ng salabat na mainit-init. So, maramdaman nyo na mas masarap ang pakiramdam. So, na 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 na. Winter time is cold. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Jogging, jogging. The sun is yours and mine. Your sun and mine's. Beautiful sunshine. Beautiful sunshine. Beautiful sunshine. So teach them how to move as a karate student.
No.
No? Why? You can teach. You can show them a little bit, 1 minute. Yeah? Just show them. Just a 1 minute karate.
These guys literally don't know
Yes,
how
but
to do it because
yeah, but
they are
if you show them, maybe maybe they can have a idea to protect to protect themselves if they are outside, and maybe when the troubles come, so they can learn from you. Show them a little bit. Yeah?
in America.
Yeah? Genau, in America. Yes, natürlich. Yeah, this is every country is not the same. Every country, they have had its own population that maybe they have enough guns or whatever. But it's better if you can have your knowledge of karate, or maybe just to protect yourself from anybody that they are maybe a little bit aggressive, or you know. So it's better to learn how to protect, how to paano nga yun yung